Welcome.
Welcome all, I'm back.
Today we will have a look at a video I found on Taboo Conspiracy's channel. This is one of those videos when he present flat earthers, all people that went over to the flat earth. And this is so stupid.
Arctic, who is Taboo Conspiracy?
Taboo Conspiracy is a flat earther that spreads a lot of garbage, a lot of lies, and I think he's have had his channel deleted 3 times by YouTube because he spreads so much garbage. Let's start this dumpster fire.
Alright, so this is Confessions of a Flat Earther. I don't really want to say that. Leave my glasses on. I don't want anybody to know who I am. You know, none of us wanted to be a flat earther, I'm telling you right now. Nobody really wanted this to be true. Wow. Not easy, you know.
It is easy because the earth is not flat.
You know, the first time you hear about it, you laugh, right? Oh boy, that's stupid. Especially for me, you know, I've got 2 master's degrees. I was an astronomy major starting off in college. I took calculus 1, calculus 2, calculus 3, differential equations. You know, not the smartest guy in the world, but...
Did you sleep the whole time in school, or what happened?
Got a little something up there, maybe. I don't know, besides the gray hair. Boy, this is tough. I hate coming out like this. Hope nobody sees me.
Is it someone who have forced you to come out, or what happened?
You know, you go through life and you believe the earth is spinning and going around the sun, and it seems pretty basic, right? And then somebody challenges you. I remember that I got challenged, right? German friend. If you need to seek out the flat earth, I say, you're stupid, you know. It's more French than German, I apologize. You know, I'm trying to be incognito right now, you know.
Don't trust Germans. For instance, Mr. 42 is German.
So anyway, you know, I was in Munich. A friend told me to check it out, so I go watch a video. Eric Debunk, 100 proofs the world's not a flat, not a round spinning ball, whatever it was. I don't think the video's out there anymore.
He claims to have 2 masters, and then he trusts Eric Debunk. Oh dear.
So I go back to my apartment in Munich. I'm by myself on that trip, and wow, 30 minutes in, I stopped the video. A lot of good proofs. Watched the full video, pretty convincing. Wow.
And you didn't spot the obvious. There are no proofs in the base videos.
So I fly back to America, get off the airplane in Atlanta. Look at the pilot, say, man, it took us an hour longer on one trip to get there than it does here. I mean, why is it an hour longer to get home? Oh, it's because of the upper level atmosphere, the winds, you know. Okay. I said, well, if the Earth was spinning 1,000 miles per hour, you'd think it would be a bigger time difference, you know. And he said, well, the Earth is spinning 1,000 miles per hour. That's why it's an hour different.
You must have been sleeping when you were studying. This is basic knowledge about how our globe works. Oh dear.
So he doesn't know he's a pilot, right? So the first experiment I did as a science-based, I'm a science-based guy. I mean, so I go to Pensacola, Florida. I'm looking at the lighthouse. So I get an altimeter app on my phone. I get a distance map on my phone. I go to the base of the lighthouse at Pensacola. I go look at the lighthouse. I go 10 miles away. I get my binoculars. I put it on the end of my iPad so I can see. There's no curvature. This is tough though, right? Because I'm visiting my brother-in-law, and he's a pilot, right? He's flying airplanes for the Navy. He trains pilots, you know, this guy knows. So he's showing us picture from the cockpit, you know, and I said, wow, you know, the horizon's flat across. He goes, yeah, it's always flat across.
And he's correct. On those altitudes that he is flying, you don't see the curvature of Earth.
Wow, that's cool. That kind of proves flat Earth to me. And And then I finally tell them while I'm there, you know, I don't really like to tell people I'm a flat earther, but I finally say, hey, you know, I'm doing some research on the flat earth. He goes, oh, Dave, really? You an idiot? You know, he thinks I'm crazy.
And I will agree. Probably you are crazy.
I said, yeah, but you told me the horizon's flat across. It was, well, not when you get to a certain altitude. Well, so it's been 3 or 4 years now, and he hasn't told me what altitude the earth goes from being the horizon flat to the horizon curving away from you like a ball. I guess he hasn't figured that out yet. 22,000 feet.
This is a classic flat earth problem. Don't understanding scale, don't understand how big our earth is.
30,000 feet, I don't know, but at 15,000 feet it's flat across. I got another friend who flies for a major airline, and he's a pilot. He knows the earth is flat. He's never seen curvature.
And he don't fly on heights that you can see the curvature.
So then, you know, I'll go to Mount Hood, Oregon, right? I got to do more experiments, right? I'm a scientist at heart. Got to do more experiments. Got to prove this thing. So I go to Mount Hood, go 100 miles east of Mount Hood. Get my altimeter out. I'm 300 feet above sea level.
100 miles east, then you are in this area somewhere. And 300 feet, then you have to be 900 or 1,000 feet underground.
I can see the whole mountain, right? It's all there. Using the apps, using the formulas, calculus, trigonometry, computer-based formulas. You know, that mountain should be 4,200 feet below the horizon, but it's not. It's all there, man. It's all there. It makes it tough.
Let's make a real calculation for that one. Observer height 300 feet, distance 100 miles. The mountain is 11,250 feet high, and with standard refraction, then 7,989 feet will be visible and 3,260 feet hidden. But in reality, you were underground, so how could you see the mountain at all?
So anyway, all the proofs are pointing to a flat earth, you know. So finally, you know, I'm going to fly to South Africa. I'm going to Cape Town. So what I did was I was there during the summer equinox, or real close to it, and while the sunrise and the sunset is 15 to 20 minutes shorter on their summer than what we have in our summer here in North America. It's because the sun's moving faster that time of year. Because it's a bigger circle. It takes a bigger orbit there, sun going around us.
The summer equinox? Did he mean the summer solstice, or is he for real? Do we think that the sun goes faster in the summertime in the southern hemisphere? Oh dear, the sun always moves 15 degrees per hour. And that's because of the Earth's rotation.
So then you see all this evidence and you can't keep your mouth shut. You got to talk, right? You got to tell people. You got to warn people. Hey, you've been lied to. Then they make fun of you, right?
Yes, we laugh at all the stupid things that flat earthers present and all stupidity they believes in.
Make videos, put them on Facebook. Your friends, they don't talk to you. Your friends talk to their kids talk to your kids, they make fun of you. They don't talk to you, right?
I don't get this story. First you present that you don't want anybody to know that you're a flat earther. Later on in the video you present that you have told the friend, the fighter pilot, and now your friends tells their children and so on. I thought you wasn't supposed to tell anybody because you're ashamed of being a flurf.
It's tough. It's tough. Nobody really wants to be a flat earther. It just happens. You're a truth seeker. You go out, you look for curvature, and it ain't there. You look and you look, and you want it to be there so bad. You want it so bad to be there. Come on, curve, baby, curve, and it doesn't curve. It's flat across. And they make these videos, and people laugh at you. They call you names, and they never have any proof, right? Nobody. They show you a picture of the Earth from a composite. They never have any pictures. There's no proof. There's no curvature. No one makes a video of, you know, Bob and Steve out. You know, hey, we're 8 miles away from each other, and can't see Bob because he's below the horizon, you know. None of those videos. You know, I'm not making money off of it. I'm not getting popularity off of it.
But others make money out of it. Eric Dubay, David Wise, or Dirt as I call him, Mark Sargent, and so on. This is a business for many flurfs.
So I just want to confess to you, you know, got to come out and tell you, nobody really wants to be a flat earther. When we look at the evidence, there's no other option. And that's just scientific. You go to the Bible, the Bible's a flat earth book. Well, then your religious friends get mad at you, right? Oh boy, all these Christians. And I'm a Christian, you know. I go to church. I believe in God, believe in Jesus. Well, the Bible's a flat earth book. They don't like that. Nobody wants to hear the flat earth book. Yep, Bible's a flat earth book. Yep, sure is. Just read it. Nope, nobody likes that. And the Christians get mad at you.
And perhaps the reason to that is that most Christians know that the Bible isn't a scientific book.
Scientists get mad at you.
I'm quite sure that most scientists don't care about flat Earth, don't care about flat earthers.
And yet there's no MIT grad, there's no scientist, there's no NASA guy, no astronaut that can tell you why you see all of Mount Hood from 100 miles east. No one can tell you why on a curved ball.
It's quite obvious that you didn't do that observation. You did lie about it. So why would any scientist tell you anything about that mountain and your so-called observation?
None of your religious friends can open their Bible and show you from the Bible where the earth is a round spinning ball going around the sun.
And why should they? It's not a scientific book. Oh dear.
So I just want to confess to you, don't want to do it. Don't really want to be a flat earther. Ridiculed, outcast, made fun of. Yeah, it happens.
No one have forced you to be a flat earther. You made a decision to belong to a cult, a science and reality denying cult, without any evidence at all for the silly claims you and your flat earth friends are presenting all the time.
Destroy. Arctic, who is Mr. 42 that you mentioned earlier on?
Mr. 42 is a flat earth debunker here on YouTube. He is German, but I think he's been deported to the Netherlands. I'm not sure, but I don't know why they deported him. We have to ask him. Okay, Bernard, what do you think about this?
Uneducated science-denying fool.
Okay. I agree with you. Okay. I hoped you liked this video.
No, I didn't.
I didn't ask you. I meant I hoped the audience liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, become a member, or just come back next time I'm showing a video.
I'll be back.
You're welcome, Bernard. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.